AS A level paper 12 October November 2019, question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1, the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 4 plus ax times 1 plus x over 2 to the power of 6 is 3. Find the value of the constant a. For this question, we will use the binomial expansion. For this part, 1 plus x over 2 power 6. In this part, we will use the binomial expansion because this part is the first term is 1, thus we use this formula. 1 plus b power n equals 1 plus n combination 1 b power 1 plus n combination 2 b squared plus etc. until the last term is b power n. Now, in on questions, 4 plus ax times, we expand this one by using the binomial expansion, that is 1 plus 6 combination 1 x over 2 power 1 plus 6 combination 2 x over 2 squared plus etc. because we need only the coefficient of x squared, thus that is enough until this term. Four plus ax times 1 plus 6 combination 1 divided by 2, that is 3. Thus 3x plus 6 combination 2, 15 over 2 squared 4, thus 15 over 4 x squared plus etc. And then the product of this part times this part, which will produce x squared, that is 4 times 15 over 4 x squared and ax times 3x, because ax times 3x ax squared, yeah. Thus 4 times 15 over 4, 4 times 15 over 4 x squared here, plus ax times 3x, that is a times 3x squared. A times 3x squared is here out the brackets. And then 4 times 15 over 4 is 15 plus a times 3a equals equals 3, yeah. Thus 15a plus 3a equals 3. 3a equals, shift to the right, minus 12, and a is minus 12 over 3, a is minus 4. Now, question number 2. The point M is the midpoint of the line joining the points 3,7 and minus 1,1. Find the equation of the line through M, which is parallel to the line x over 3 plus y over 2 equals 1. The coordinates of the midpoint 3,7 and minus 1,1 are 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2, 7 plus 1 divided by 2. Thus coordinate of point M, that is 1,4. That is the midpoint of point 3,7 and minus 1,1. Further, we need a gradient. The line through M, which is parallel to the line x over 3 plus y over 2 equals 1, thus we need the gradient of this line. First, we have to calculate the gradient of this line. That is here, thus x per 3 plus y over 2 equals 1. Y over 2 equals, shift to the right, minus x over 3 plus 1. Multiplied both sides by 2. Thus y over 2 times 2 is y minus x over 3 times 2 minus 2 over 3x, and 1 times 2 is 2. Thus the gradient of the line is minus 2 over 3. The Cartesian equation of the line with gradient minus 2 over 3 through m 1, 4, that is y minus 4 equals minus 2 over 3 times x minus 1. Thus the gradient, the equation of the line is y equals minus 2 over 3x plus 4 2 over 3. The third question, or question number 3, a curve is such that dy dx equals k per square root of x, where k is a constant. The points p1, minus 1 and q4, 4 lie on the curve. Find the equation of the curve. Dy dx equals k over square root of x. We can rewrite this equation k times this is x square half, thus k times x square minus 1 over 2. Integrate both sides, integration of this one, that is y, and integration of this part, that is this one, equals k times 1 per minus half plus 1 x square minus half plus 1 plus c. Thus y is 1 per half is 2, because minus half plus 1 is half, thus 1 divided by half is 2, 2k x square minus half plus 1 half plus c. And we can write this one, x per half is square root of x, thus equals to k square root of x plus c. Substitute both points into the equation, or into the expression, this expression, yeah. Substitute point p 1, minus 1, thus x is 1, y is minus 1, thus minus 1 equals 2 times k square root of 1, 2k plus c. And the second point, substitute the second point, that is point q4, 4 in this equation, in this expression. Thus 4 equals 4 times 2k square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, thus 2 times 2, 4k plus c. And then solve from these two simultaneous equations. We can solve the value of k and c. This equation is subtracted, or this equation is subtracted from that equation. Yeah, minus 1 minus sign here. Thus minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, 2k minus 4k is minus 2k, c minus c is 0. Thus from here k is minus 5 per minus 2, or k is 5 over 2. And then substitute k 5 over 2 in this equation. Thus minus 1 is 2 times 5 over 2 plus c. Thus cancel out, thus 5, thus c is minus 1, shift to the left, minus 1 minus 5 is c is minus 6. Thus the equation for curve, substitute k by 5 over 2 and c minus 6, that is y equals 2 times 5 over 2 times square root of 6 times square root of x minus 6. Thus 5 square root of x minus 6. Thank you.